In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Cloudways server. It might seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the process, but rest assured it's quite simple once you know where to click. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Cloudways website. You can do this by typing Cloudways into your preferred search engine or directly entering the web address, cloudways.com. Once you are on the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure to have your email and password handy. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Cloudways dashboard. This dashboard is like the control center for all your cloud hosting activities. Here you can manage your applications, teams, and most importantly for today, your servers. Now direct your attention to the menu and click on the Servers tab. This will take you to a page that lists all the servers currently associated with your account. As you look over this list, identify the specific server you want to delete. It's crucial to ensure that you're selecting the right one, because once a server is deleted, the action is irreversible and data stored on it can be lost permanently. Next, to the right of the server name, you'll find an icon that looks like 3 vertically aligned dots, what we sometimes call a More Options menu. Click on this icon to reveal more actions you can perform on that server. In the drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Delete. Carefully click on Delete. Cloudways might prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete this server. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Review the server details to confirm again that it is indeed the server you wish to remove. If you're confident in your decision, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Having completed this process, your server will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Remember, this is a critical operation, so double check your actions before confirming any deletions. It might take a few moments for the deletion process to complete depending on server size and activity, so be patient as the system processes the request. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through deleting a server from your Cloudways account. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to Cloudways support for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching.